Okay, now we'll see derivative of inverse trigonometric function part 2, some higher level of sums. Now, what we have done in first lecture, that we have to remember, most important, sine inverse of sine x x, cos inverse of cos x x, true for all trigonometric functions. Now, derivative of inverse trigonometric functions using substitution method. Here you have to remember all important formulas of compound angle, multiple angle formulas of 2 theta, 3 theta, that is there in your syllabus. I have written some important formulas here. These three formulas are very important. Along with this formula, you have to remember the formulas of sine 3 theta, cos 3 theta and tan 3 theta as well. And the most important, सबसे ज़्यादा important, tan 45 minus theta. Tan 45 minus theta. 1 minus tan theta upon 1 plus tan theta. The most important one. Okay. So now let us proceed. Y equal to sine inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now look at the list of the formulas here. Matching. किससे matching? Look, it is matching with this formula. It's clear. So look, what will come in place of x? So it is tan theta. So x equal to tan theta. Put x equal to tan theta. Therefore, theta equal to tan inverse of x. Now, your expression become y equal to sine inverse 2 tan theta 1 plus tan square theta. Which formula? Sine 2 theta. Now we know the identity. Sine inverse of sine x x. So sine inverse of sine 2 theta is 2 theta. But here theta is not a constant. Theta is a function which depend on x. So y is equal to 2 tan inverse x. Now we have simplified the expression. So dy by dx is equal to 2 upon 1 plus x square. And this is the answer. Now this is the theory part that you have done number of times. Now college का exam तो हुआ नहीं तो obviously घर पे क्या रहेगा. So now look at the question, look at the answer. Look. So when you observe what happened, so you found x disappears. What you found? X disappears. Right? So look at the sum, look at the answer. So if you have this logic clear, you can write down the answer in one step. Say y equal to sine inverse 8x 1 plus 16x square. Normal method. 8x मतलब 2 into 4x. तो मतलब substitution is 4x equal to tan theta. Again it will take a long time. But now you are smart. Look. So now you can write down the answer directly. What is the answer? 8 upon 1 plus 16x square. And now answer will come in one step. समझ में आया? Okay. So now, actually, in first view, ऐसा लगता है कि x disappears. क्या लगता है? x disappear. But वैसा नहीं है. ध्यान से देखो कुछ तो दिखेगा. My students are extraordinary. So if you look very carefully, ध्यान से देखो कुछ तो दिखेगा. So when you look very carefully, ध्यान से देखो यहाँ पे 1 दिखेगा. दिख रहा है 1? दिख रहा है कि नहीं? दिखा 1. So look, this one is nothing but derivative of x. Now here, this 8x is what? 2 into 4x. Now again, what is derivative of 4x? 4. So what is the answer? 2 into 4, 8 upon 1 plus 16x square. For example, if I take y equal to sine inverse 2 e raised to x, 1 plus e raised to 2x. So most of you may be thinking the answer is 2 upon 1 plus e raised to 2x. No. Here the function is what? E raised to x. What is that of e raised to x? E raised to x. So answer is 2 e raised to x, 1 plus e raised to 2x. Now you can write down answer in one step. You can write down the answer in one step. So look, what is the final conclusion for this type of sum? Obviously, whenever it is sine inverse, find after substitution it will become sine 2 theta, and this substitution will give the answer in terms of x. But how to get answer directly in quick time? Now, say you have now y equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square 1 plus x square. Matching. किससे matching? Now obviously it is matching with the formula of cos 2 theta. So what is the substitution? X is equal to tan theta. Okay, so now again theta is tan inverse of x. Y equal to cos inverse 1 minus tan square theta 1 plus tan square theta. Which formula? Cos 2 theta. What remain? 2 theta. But theta is not a constant, so it is tan inverse x. What is the answer? 2 upon 1 plus x square. Now look, whether it was sine or cos, answer is similar. These are unwanted steps for multiple choice question. For theory it's okay, you have to justify all the steps. But for MCQs, your answer should come like answer like this. So final conclusion. Look, whether it is cos 2 theta का formula, sin 2 theta का formula, or maybe tan 2 theta का formula. Whenever it is sine inverse, look, this is the final conclusion. ये आपको याद रखना है. So you will get answer in say 10 seconds only for any sum. Whenever it is sine inverse, format is always 2 into function 1 plus function square. Whenever it is cos inverse, the format is 1 minus function square 1 plus function square. Or whether it is tan inverse, 2 into function 1 minus function square. Now theory, in all of this type of sum, substitution is function equal to tan theta, but then unnecessary you have to write this step. तो इन तीनों में से कोई भी टाइप है, आंसर एक स्टेप में आएगा. व्हाट? 2 टाइम डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन 1 प्लस फंक्शन स्क्वायर. दिस इज द फाइनल आंसर. इन तीनों में से कोई भी टाइप का सम है, उसका आंसर एक स्टेप में आएगा. 2 इंटू डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन 1 प्लस फंक्शन स्क्वायर. 2 into derivative of function 1 plus function square. Look, if you remember, answer will come within 10 seconds. Now, let me see more examples to get answer like answer. Now, okay. Say, now, your sum is y equal to sine inverse 10x upon 1 plus 25x square. Now, with the help of this shortcut, you know, it is 2 time function. So separate 2. So what is your function? 5x. What is the shortcut? 2 into derivative of function 1 plus function square. मतलब डिनोमिनेटर सेम है. फंक्शन क्या है हमारा? 5x. 2 into derivative of function. So 2 into 5 10. So look, 10 upon 1 plus 25x square. आंसर एक स्टेप में आएगा. या ऐसे सम के लिए डायरेक्टली याद रखने का क्या? दिस x डेसिमल और आंसर आपका 1 सेकंड में आ जाएगा. बट अगर x के अलावा कोई दूसरा फंक्शन है तो फाइनल आंसर क्या आएगा? 2 into derivative function 1 plus function square, and one step you will get a final answer. Whether this type or this type, your answer remain the same. 2 into derivative function 1 plus function square. So this is an extraordinary concept. So look, I have actually covered more than 10-12 sums of your textbook. And always remember, कोई भी लेंदी बड़ी बड़ी मोटी मोटी बुक पढ़ने की जरूरत नहीं है. आपको अगर MST-CT मैथमेटिक्स में 90 प्लस मिलाना है, यू शुड हैव टोटल कमांड ऑन योर गवर्नमेंट टेक्स्टबुक. लोग बोलते हैं गवर्नमेंट टेक्स्टबुक की चिंदी. अरे चिंदी नहीं, चिंदा उड़ जाता है पूरा. आई हैव सीन नंबर ऑफ IIT स्टूडेंट्स. सर आई गॉट 99 percentile, सर आई गॉट 95 percentile, but then same 95 out of 200 in MST-CT. MST-CT requires speed and accuracy and total command on your syllabus and mostly your government textbook. Now, more examples. अब आप बोलोगे सर अगर ऐसा आ गया तो क्या करने का? बाहर साइन इनवर्स है बट अंदर क्या है? कॉस का फॉर्मूला. बिकॉज द टर्म विच इज इनसाइड द ब्रैकेट, इफ यू look, it is a formula of cos 2 theta. Now no need, you know, बाहर साइन अंदर कॉस मतलब क्या? पेयर. अगर पेयर टर्म है तो हमेशा जो शॉर्टकट मैंने दिया वही आएगा, विथ अ माइनस साइन इन फ्रंट. मतलब लुक, 1 माइनस फंक्शन स्क्वायर. फंक्शन क्या है आपका? व्हाट इज योर फंक्शन? 4x. व्हाट वाज द शॉर्टकट गिवन बाय मी? 2 टाइम डेरिवेटिव ऑफ फंक्शन. व्हाट इज योर फंक्शन हियर? 4x. 2 टाइम डेरिवेटिव फंक्शन upon same denominator 1 plus function square. So answer is 8 upon 1 plus 16x square for normal sum. Normal sum मतलब बाहर साइन इनवर्स और अंदर साइन का फॉर्मूला, या बाहर कॉस इनवर्स और अंदर कॉस का फॉर्मूला. बट यहां पे क्या है? पेयर. तो जब भी पेयर रहेगा ऑलवेज अ माइनस साइन विल कम. So answer is minus 8 upon 1 plus 16x square. So look, here also this type of shortcut will help you to get the answer quickly, very fast. Only you have to remember same मतलब same answer. पेयर मतलब उल्टा आंसर मतलब put a minus sign before that shortcut. So you have to remember. एक एग्जांपल फटाक से करते हैं हम. y equal to cos inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square. Now अंदर ये sin 2 थीटा का फॉर्मूला है, इसका शॉर्टकट मालूम है हमको, 2 upon 1 plus x square. So this is the shortcut. But बाहर cos inverse and अंदर it is a formula of sin. Pair. So what will come? A minus sign. Same मतलब same answer. Pair मतलब उल्टा answer. So answer is minus 2 upon 1 plus x square. And now again you get answer like answer very fast, very quickly. So you have to remember that 3 shortcut formulas. 2 into derivative function 1 plus function square for 3 type of sum. One for sin 2 theta, cos 2 theta and tan 2 theta. Now most of the time it is pair. बाहर sin अंदर cos या बाहर cos अंदर sin. Same shortcut will work, only you have to put a minus sign before that shortcut. I think the things are very clear to all of you. Now more example and then we will move to the next part of derivative. Y equal to sin inverse 3 sin x plus 4 cos x upon 5. Very important. 2-3 times came in MST-CT. This type of sum. Now, normal method. Normal method means we know it is sin inverse So we want sine of something. So look, these numbers are always such that these numbers are always Pythagoras triplets. So the normal method is this. First you have to separate. Now these numbers are always Pythagoras triplets. So iska square plus iska square is always 1. Iska square and iska square is always 1. And we know, what we know? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is also 1. Sin square A plus sin square B. No. Sin square A plus cos square is 1. So, look, it is sine inverse. So, you want a formula of sine. Look at the formula of sine. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A plus B. Sin A cos B. Cos A sin B. Sin मतलब same sign. Look, plus मतलब plus. और cos मतलब उल्टा साइन. Cos sin sin. Cos sin. So here minus will become plus. Cos, you have to remember this thing. Minus will become plus. That is the important part. Again the same logic. Sin मतलब same sign. Cos मतलब ulta sign. Cos sin sin. Cos sin sin. So you have to take this part as cos alpha. This part is sin alpha. So your expression become sin A cos B cos A sin B. So this become sin alpha plus x. Now you know the identity. Sin inverse of sin theta is theta. So what remains? Alpha plus x. So when you differentiate, alpha is a constant because it has no variable term involved. So derivative of alpha becomes 0. So what is the answer? 1. 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 So look, what is logic here? Answer is always 1. Answer is always 1. Sometime it is -1. -1 कब आएगा? वो भी क्लियर हुआ. अगर ये अल्फा माइनस एक्स बनेगा तो -1. तो हाउ टू रिमेंबर? How to get answer directly for this type of sum? Look, this type of sum, whether it is outside sine inverse or cos inverse, answer is always +1 or -1. Again, you have to remember the same logic. Sine matlab same sign, cos matlab ulta sign. So look, you have to remember this format. अभी सपोज ये माइनस होता, अगर ये माइनस रहेगा तो आंसर क्या आ जाएगा? -1, क्योंकि फाइनली दिस बिकम अल्फा माइनस एक्स. Got my point or not? So you have to remember. Understood or not? Look, you have to be very careful because options में +1 -1 दोनों रहेगा. So you have to finally remember this. A cos x, B sin x, and denominator is always root a square plus b square. This is the general type. Coefficient of sin x वो देखना है हमको. So if answer is 1 or -1, 99 times 1 ही आता है आंसर. But in few cases answer will become -1. Now how to get answer 1 or -1 depend on this. Coefficient of sin x. B positive, answer is positive. What is B positive? No, it is not a blood group. B positive means the coefficient of sin x. B positive, answer is positive. B negative, answer is negative. So this is the shortcut logic for this type of sum. Coefficient of sin x positive है तो 1 आएगा और coefficient of sin x negative है तो आंसर -1 आएगा. And suppose it is cos inverse, answer is always 1. क्योंकि if it is cos inverse, final answer is either x plus alpha or x minus alpha. Alpha being a constant, so most of the time answer is 1 only. So this is one of the important concept which came 2-3 times in MSTCT exam. So you can get answer directly. But be careful in marking the correct option. These are the shortcut tricks. B positive, answer is positive. B negative, answer is negative. Now the next part. Indirect form of this. Look, this is the indirect form of same type. Normal method. Normal method, there is a chart of substitution. If it is 1 minus x square, you have to put x equal to sin theta or cos theta accordingly. X equal to sin theta or cos theta accordingly. Okay. Mostly you have to put x equal to sin theta. Okay. So when you put x equal to sin theta, what happens? This becomes sin theta. And this becomes 1 minus sin square theta. 1 minus sin square theta, cos square theta within root become cos theta upon 5. Now look, it is like the previous sum. Again you have to do all these things. Put 3 by 5 as cos alpha, 4 by 5 sin alpha. Again like this, like this, like this, and then find sitting alone in the classroom. Look, अभी theory exam का tension नहीं है. How to get answer directly for this type of sum? Again, the general type is this. This is the general type. And answer is always, this is the final answer. This is the final answer of this type of sum, always 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Because x is sin theta. Substitution is sin theta. Substitution is sin theta. And look, coefficient of sin theta is positive, then answer is this. So if B positive, this is the answer. And in rare cases, suppose B is negative, then what is the answer? Minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So now look, you will get answer very fast. Sin matlab same sign, cos matlab ulta sign, cos sin cos sin. And these are the important sums which came number of times in MSTCT. Coefficient of x here is positive, answer is 1 upon root 1 minus x square. And coefficient of x is negative, the answer is minus 1 upon root 1 minus x square. To clear the things, try to give the answer very fast of this sum. Look, 5, 12, 13 forms of Pythagoras triplet. What is the answer? Look, answer is always 1 upon root 1 minus x square. Because nowhere we have minus sign. अगर कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ x माइनस है तो ही माइनस आएगा, नहीं तो 100% टाइम द आंसर इज 1 upon root 1 minus x square. So you can get the answer directly for this type of sum without doing any type of substitution. Without doing any type of substitution. So here we stop the video, and now next video will be based on derivative of implicit function with more amazing shortcuts. Just now you have to remember these 4-5 shortcuts. This type of sum always come in MSTCT exam. Okay, that's all.